Hey, my name's John Disk, and this is the Crypto Update. It's September 15th, 2017, and it's 8:45 p.m. Eastern Time. You're looking at a Bitcoin bounce back. Yep, massive movement today, and it's stabilizing. Yeah, I can now say, if you want my advice, what I would do is buy right now. If you're waiting for a time to buy, I don't think it's going to get better than where it is right now. Currently we're going horizontal. Today the low today was 29.73. As soon as it got below $3,000, boom, what a lot of support. All the way up to a high of 38.37. That is huge. That is big time. That is a $900 gain in value just on the price of Bitcoin. I don't know how much you made today. I don't know where you bought in or where you're sitting, but this has to look like good news to you. Bitcoin is up on the day 12.71%, and finally we get a break in the FUD. We get good news, and we have an optimistic market here buying very quickly. Oh my goodness. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what's happening. This is just the past 1 hour. We started an hour ago at 36.75, and we've gained pretty much $100. Yeah, $102 in value just in the past hour. If it keeps going at this rate, folks, we are looking very strong. This is one day. Looks like we started out at 3,400 and we hit a low somewhere around 7:30 this morning. And again, once it went from, with one candle here in one day, it went from $3,021 to below that $3,000 line, $29.85, and boom, nothing but up. Little bounce backs, but it was no competition for the buyers who just kept on buying and buying and buying. And the volume has slowed down. The sellers have gone. This volume's pretty much all buyers. If the buyers are in and they're watching right now, and if this is one of you people who are just watching and waiting for the right time, I really strongly believe that now is the time. I believe we're going to continue to make up ground. I'm not a fortune teller. Anything could happen, but the trend is strong and the FUD has gone away. The FUD has failed again, over and over and over. It'll crash the market, but Bitcoin just keeps on coming back. Ethereum. Let's go see what Ethereum is doing. Squeaky chair is still squeaky. Guess I will fix that one day. Ethereum's sitting at 262, and for the day we have a 12.9% rise in market value, and pretty much the same pattern as Bitcoin. Didn't quite get below 200, but it came close at 201. Let's move in a little closer. Maybe it did. No, never got below 200, but it didn't have to. It saw all the buyers and they jumped back in. This is the original ICO. I really don't want to explain that to the newbies. Just do a Google search for ICO and you shall find it. LiteCoin. It's really great to see the market bounce back after what it's been through for the past, 5, 6 days. It was really looking bad. And I know how hard this can be on the investors when they just watch their money go from the green into the red. And it's like, oh my god, how far down is it going? Like Litecoin, like Ethereum, Litecoin is up 12.3% and sitting at almost $53. And we have the same pattern. The whole market is buying back at the same time. It all started at 3:20 a.m. this morning Eastern time. And that's a big bounce. The low for the day, and as low as Litecoin's been in a long time, $33.12. Wow, that's low. The high today was 58.31, and the upward trend is continuing. Although overall for the past, I don't know 12 hours, there's bouncing, but basically it's staying between $50 and $55. Let's go see what Bitcoin Cash is doing, and see what the rest of the market is doing. I did check this earlier. You didn't think I could just not check it all day. It's very, very exciting. And there's still some people saying, "Oh, don't celebrate. It's too early. It's too early. It's gonna crash." Yeah, shut up. Shut up. Let us be happy, man. Bitcoin Cash is in 4th place and has gained almost 11%, sitting at $437. You can see the trend is similar. Most of the top 10 coins, actually most of the top 20 coins, are showing double-digit gains. Go has a 0%. Oh my goodness, 0% movement, either up or down. Something's going on with Go. I'm not sure what it is. It is an ICO and it is an Asian coin. I have not had time to keep up with any of the news. I don't know really why the market bounced back. I did read a headline somewhere that China releases good news about something, but I haven't had time to get into it. I haven't had time to. I've been writing and running all day, and I come back to the house and then I write something as quick as I can and I publish that, or I send it to the editor who publishes it, and then I run back out and take care of it. I've just been running all day. I have not had time to sit down and read articles. I've checked the market a couple times, the crypto market, but I haven't had time to read the articles. You can check the price. I can check this in 5 seconds and see where everybody sits, and you will be able to at some point. You just glance at it and see, okay, exactly where it's standing and what happened, and just go back to your business. Anyway, I'm pretty much rambling. I don't know why. Bitcoin is at #1 in volume. That's nothing new and nothing surprising. Ethereum is #2 and Litecoin is #3. Those two are nothing surprising either. This is pretty much every day. The most action are those 3 top coins there. Bitcoin Cash is #4. Go is #5, although it's stagnant. I don't know what happened to it. It's not moving. Nobody's buying. Nobody's selling. It did have a lot of volume, or it wouldn't be in 5th place, but Apparently at some point along the line it stopped, and Omise Go might be in some kind of, I don't know, I don't know. I don't want to speculate right now. Number 6, Ethereum Classic, big jump. For Ethereum, it had lost a lot in the past couple days, and now it's gained 6.5 points. So, and it's for sale for $11.59. So, although Ethereum Classic, none of these coins are back on their feet from all the losses for the past 5 days, but many of them are well on the way. And Ethereum Classic looks like it's going to take its time to get back to square one. IOTA's number 7, and Monero is number 8, Ripple's number 9, Neo is number 10, and Zcash is honorable mention at number 11. We have no tankers of the day unless you want to take a look at Omise Go. I'm really curious about what's going to happen. Biggest tanker in the top 10 cannot be named because there aren't any, and we'll just call Omise Go a mystery for now. The biggest gainer of the day is Neo at 14.23%. Second biggest gainer is Monero at 13.9%. I heard a rumor that Monero is the coin being used for most of the I don't know. I probably shouldn't say this until I confirm it, but it was a reliable source. The drug dealers and the money launderers, they don't use Bitcoin to do all that. They use Monero, and true or not, that's what I heard. Once again, Bitcoin is sitting at 3750, and that's a 12.2% increase in 24 hours. So let's close off the crypto update with another look at the one-day chart. And that beautiful positive green gain. It's going to fall out gain. Yo. What was the high? 38.38 is the high for the day. So $100 and we'll be at the high for the day, and as the way it's moving, it looks like we may reach it. Close to it. I mean, we're right there, and the high's right there. Right at this peak. We're not far away. We're at this peak. Anyway, peace, y'all. Have a good night. Sleep well.